Got enough. Send it off to the family.
Start doing it. It's recording right now.
Okay, Triscari, we're demonstrating a new technique, Michael. Triscari Foundry fireworks, hillbilly style. Okay. Oh my goodness. We're trying to help the neighbor out, cooking down his wood here. The tree came down. The neighbor over there. Let's see if we can get some perspective here. Holy cow. That thing is white hot. That thing is white hot inside there. We can make steel, Patrick. Holy cow. Forget the marshmallows. Here's what we're working on.
Hit the stop button.
Here's our fuel supply. It's ash, black walnut, locust. I got to learn about this crazy, thick, heavy, dense locust.
Ash, black walnut.
Yep. And then this thing called locust over here. All right. And here's our here's the beast over here. We got to try to. We're helping out with. We're having more fun.